How's it going here, future voters? Of Sean Gannis, future President of the United States of America. And we got another beer review for you. We have the Lord Hobo 617 Hazy IPA. Now, if you're wondering like me, why is it 617? Because it's 6.17% alcohol by volume. Interesting. All right, let me pour it here in my little trusty plastic beer glass. Like again, all my videos. It's affiliate link if you like that. You want to try it out. You want to support the channel. Click it there. It goes a little something, something, a little kickback there. But I like these glasses. They're great. All right. Well, let's settle for a second. Let's read what they say online. 617 perfectly resembles the iconic winning spirit of Boston and all of New England through its carefully balanced flavors of greatness. The hops and grains beautifully blend together, providing a perfect equilibrium between sweet and bitter. Together, they form a bright berry flavor profile with a hint of honey in the finish. 617 is a home run, however you decide to drink it. Hashtag that's 617. The hops on here are SIMCOE, CENTENNIAL, AZACCA, MALTS, PILSNER, red wheat, MUNICH, and FLAKED barley. It's available in many different types, whatever. Taste, tropical fruit and citrus. Aroma, tropical fruit, citrus. Appearance, golden hazy. It does look golden hazy. You can see right there. All right. Lord Hobo, 617. I wonder if they just said their goal is whatever the alcohol by volume is. That's going to be the beer number. Or the number came first and they found a beer to make exactly that number. Also, I've never seen many beers go to 2 decimal places there. All right, smelling it. I'm getting the tropical fruits. I'm getting the citrus. Yeah, I'm getting some hops, but not too much. Yep, it tastes citrusy. Yeah, it's like tropical fruit and citrusy. So a little hops in there, but definitely that citrus flavor. Tasting there. A little malty, not too much. Not too hoppy, to be honest. Pretty balanced beer. And if you like hazies, which some people really get into hazy beers. I mean, not so much, but can't complain though. It's actually pretty good. It does have a little, I guess, the New England style IPA stuff in there. That's part of it here. It's not my favorite. There's like a little, I don't know, like a little, I call it a pale flavor, but I don't know if that's the right word for it. But it only comes on as like a late aftertaste. So you might not notice it. Maybe it's just me. Either way, it's a decent hazy beer. And if you like hazies, this is definitely up your alley. It's not too bitter, which can sometimes get the hazies there. So anyway, I like the beer. I think it's a good one here. And as far as hazies goes, probably up there, one of my favorite ones. So I'm gonna go give this a review of 3.75 out of 5. I was between that and 4, so take it with a grain of salt. But 3.75 out of 5 for this beer. And if you like this beer, let me know down in the comment section below. But I'll see you next time. This is Sean Gannon, future president, signing off.